Using the Z grill is very easy. You turn the power on, you set to smoke, and it'll push pellets into the fire pot, automatically ignite those. You have the lid open initially. Once you see some smoke and you start to hear the sound of the flames, then you can set it to your desired temperature. The Z grill comes with 2 food probes, which you can plug into here. So you can push this into your food and easily, by pressing this button, monitor the temperature of your food. So down here, we can see the auger. This is what pushes the pellets from the hopper into the fire pot. So we'll turn the unit on and you can see how it works. Once you hear that roaring sound, you are good to go. Shut the lid and change the temperature to desired setting.